Greetings parents and children. My name is Judy Ssemugabi, the child. So today we are going to look at our second lesson. Our second Luganda lesson is all about greetings, informal greetings. So hope you learned something out of it. And if you missed our Luganda lesson 1, please go to my YouTube channel, Judy's Basket, and when you get there, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Okay, this is our Luganda lesson 2, greetings part 2. Essomo eryokubiri, okubuuza ekitundu ekyokubiri. So we're gonna learn about informal greetings. Okubuuza okwolukale. Greetings in singular and in plural. Oluganda, okubuuza mu bumu ne mu bungi. Greet, buuza. Greet, buuza. So when you meet somebody, one person, you greet him or her. How are you? How are you? In Luganda, buuza, singular, buuza, you say olyotya, olyotya. Then he or she will reply by saying, I'm fine, how are you? I'm fine, how are you? Okuddamu in Luganda, reply, okuddamu. She or he, you will say in Luganda, gyendi, gwe olyotya. Gyendi, gwe olyotya. I'm fine, how are you? I'm fine, how are you? Gyendi, gwe olyotya. Then you, the person who greeted, you will respond by saying, I'm fine. I'm fine in English. In Luganda, okuddamu, you say gyendi. Gyendi. So when you greet people, the same greetings, but you are greeting many people now. This one is singular, now plural. You are greeting many people. Informally, you say, how are you? It's the same greeting here in English. How are you? How are you? In Luganda, buuza, you are greeting many people. You say, muli mutya. Muli mutya. They will respond by saying, we are fine. How are you? In English, we are fine. How are you? In Luganda, they will respond by saying, gye gwe olyotya. Gye gwe olyotya. Gye we are fine. Gwe olyotya. How are you? Gye we are fine. Gwe olyotya. How are you? Then you respond by saying, I'm fine. In Luganda, you say, gyendi. Gyendi. Then you greet somebody like a peer or friend or, somebody close, your age mate. Hello, hi. Hello, hi in English. In Luganda, you say chikat. Chi or chikat. Chi or chikat. Then that person in English will respond by saying, hello, hi. Hello, hi. Greeting you back. Hello, hi. But in Luganda, that person will respond by saying, tewali chikat. Tewali chikat. Chigwe. Tewali chigwe or chikat. They will also greet you back. Tewali chigwe or chikat. Then you also respond by saying tewali. Tewali is like fine. Tewali. Then when you're bidding somebody a nice day, you say, have a nice day, singular, and plural, you say, have a nice day. In Luganda, we say, siba bulungi, for one person. In singular, you say siba bulungi. In plural, you say musibe bulungi. Musibe bulungi. So in English, you want to wish somebody a good journey, you say have a good journey. That person might be one or more. Have a good journey. In Luganda, we will say for one person tambula bulungi. Tambula bulungi. If there are many, in plural, you say mutambule bulungi. Mutambule bulungi. So in English, you say goodbye or bye. Goodbye or bye for both singular and plural. But in Luganda, we say weraba for one person. Weraba. If there are two or more, you say mweraba. Mweraba. Then in English, you say good night for both singular and plural. Good night. In Luganda, you say sula bulungi for one person. Sula bulungi. If there are many, you say musule bulungi. Musule bulungi. That's the end of our lesson 2. Eyo yenkomero y'essomo lyaffe eryokubiri. Thank you for listening. Mwebale kuwuliriza. So in case you felt you didn't hear our lesson 1 and you want to know more about it, please find my lesson 1 on my YouTube channel, Judy's Basket. When you get there, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Mweraba.